Okay, so here we go with the unboxing of the new Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM in the spring collection. And so we're excited about what the colors may be in person. And let's put all the little goodies to the side. A nice picture of the dust bag and everything. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful box, beautiful gift box. Let's lift this up, and without further ado, is she not gorgeous?
Yes, she is.
Oh my God. Okay, let's get her out of the box. Make sure. How about that? Oh my God. Okay. Okay, that is just freaking gorgeous. That is just gorgeous. There's no two ways about it.
It is very pretty. Very pretty.
Oh my God, Donna, that is gorgeous.
It is gorgeous. It looks, I liked it in the picture, but that right there, wow.
Seeing it in person, there's nothing that...
The picture don't do it justice.
No. No. Not at all. Oh, and the ombre handles. Just beautiful. Thank you, Louis. And there's the inside and the little wristlet. Oh, that is a beautiful purple. That's a beautiful lavender. Oh, my goodness. I'm not doing a good job filming, but I am so sorry because this bag is so gorgeous. We got to have a minute here.
It really is.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed the excitement, and I hope that you will go online and get you one while they're available. This is going to be my happy bag. Thank you.